Hiya, welcome back. Let's make this simple potato salad together. If you're looking for the perfect side dish for your next Sunday lunch, keep watching. I had some potatoes going bad and I decided to make something with them. So let's make this creamy potato salad. If you have a garden and would like to grow potatoes, this is the time to cut off the growing pieces and stick it in some soil. In a couple months, you'll have potatoes. Let's go ahead and peel some potatoes. Use as much potatoes as you would like. I use about 1 kg. Using my favorite potato peeler, I am speeding through this process. I'm just kidding, guys. So tell me, do you use a knife to peel your potatoes or do you use a potato peeler? This is about just as fast as I can go, so no worries. Take your time, grab your ingredients, and let's make this potato salad together. When all your potatoes are peeled, we're gonna give them a good wash and a good rinse. Ready to cook them? So I'm gonna steam my potatoes using my rice cooker. I'm gonna kill two birds in one go. I'm gonna put my eggs at the bottom like so, and I'm gonna put my potatoes on top to steam, and I will be cooking both at once. Let's add some water to cover our eggs. I use 4 eggs, but you can use as much or as less eggs as you would want. If you like eggs, you can put a lot. If you don't, you can omit the eggs. You can totally customize your potato salad to your liking. Let's add our potatoes. If you don't have a steamer, just use a regular pot to boil your potatoes. Everything is set and ready. Let's turn on our rice cooker. Our eggs will be cooked way before our potatoes. So you should let your eggs cook for about 10 minutes. So how you cook your eggs, you let the water come up to a boil and then you set your timer for 10 minutes. Take your eggs out, and when you're done, don't forget to put back your potatoes to cook on top. Peel them and set them aside so that they can cool. If you have any questions concerning any of my recipes, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I will be sure to answer you. Our potatoes are ready, so I'm gonna take them out and set them aside. We need to leave all our ingredients come to room temperature. You never want to assemble a hot potato salad. That is a no no. And that is a recipe for a catastrophe because we want a potato salad. We don't want mashed potatoes. While your eggs and potatoes are cooling off, grab your favorite mayonnaise, your mixed vegetables, and your seasoning. Let's dice up our potatoes. We're going to use a layering method. So we're going to do a layer of potatoes, a layer of mixed vegetables, a layer of eggs. We're going to season it. We're going to add mayo and we're going to do it all over again. Let me show you. Now that our potatoes are diced, we're going to season it. I choose to add some black pepper and some garlic salt. I'm keeping it pretty simple. Now add a layer of mixed vegetables. Where I come from, they don't sell mixed vegetables. So I have a can of corn and a can of some type of mixed vegetables. Next, we're gonna add our chopped eggs. I'm choosing to cut everything into bite-sized pieces. So if you have patience, go ahead and do like me, or you can do big chunks as well. We're gonna finish off by adding mayonnaise and then we're gonna start the layering process all over again. OMG, we have an intruder that just couldn't wait to eat dinner tonight. So potatoes first. Season your potatoes because potatoes are pretty bland. Add your mixed vegetables as much or as little as you would like. Add your eggs and finish off with some mayo. Now that we are done building our layers, give it a gentle mix. After mixing, give it a taste and adjust your seasoning accordingly. Mine was missing a little bit of garlic salt and a little bit of mayo, so I added it. There you have it, guys. Our simple potato salad is ready to complement your Sunday's lunch. You can serve it cold or at room temperature. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. And as always, see you next time.